Okay, guys, here's the final product. So we're gonna be. So I'll cut to a quick commercial break, and get a pizza cutter. I'm sorry if the commercial break is really short. And we're back, and we got the pizza cutter here. So now we're gonna cut this into pieces. So you can cut it like this, or cut it like this, or just like a regular pizza. But no, we're just gonna do it like this. Try to make it even as possible, but if it's uneven, well, it's your pizza. You can cut it however you want. Okay, that is uneven, so I'm gonna do just a little bit more cutting to make it look pretty gnarly. I know I ain't gotta cut it down that way because that would make it uneven. And now for my favorite part. Not doing the food review yet. So now we're gonna put this on a plate. And the plate I'm going to do is for the special occasion. And if you guys judge me, I don't care. Because this show completely, it took the world by storm. And every age freaking loves this show. Look at kids, teens, adults, elders, everyone loves it. So, for that special occasion, we're going to be using my favorite plate from Bluey. And just to tell you guys, everyone thought Bluey was a boy, but no, Bluey's a girl. Because she actually says that in the episode Babysitter. Yep. She literally says I'm a girl in the episode called Babysitter. And it all takes place in Australia. So now we're gonna be taking this to in the room, and we'll be ready to go. Alright, now we're here. And while I'm waiting for the freaking thing to turn on, we're going to be testing this. So granted, I did burn it a little bit in the oven. So here we go. Alright, so you can taste some burnt part of it. But it's really not that bad. It's still really good. Amazing sauce and cheese and pepperoni, and what's it called? Sausage already applied onto the food. And the best part, I'm not sure you guys can hear it, but it's too crunchy. So that's all for today. Until next time, try something new. We here out of the blue.